How can you protect and support your friends from bullies using assertiveness? One day while the kindergarten kids were playing in the playground, a boy from Primary 1, Venus, came and took away a toy from Moon. Moon felt a bit confused. She did not expect that. Venus looked angry. When Moon requested to give the toy back, Venus hit her hand with his water bottle. Moon's friends ran over immediately. Moon said, "Ouch, that hurts! You could have simply asked me to give you the toy and I would have given it."
Sun, who was Moon's classmate and best friend, asked,
"Why did you hurt our friend?" Venus replied, "She asked for a toy that I wanted to play with." Sun said, "Moon was playing with that toy already. If you needed it, you should have requested her, not snatched it away. Also, why did you hit her when she was very politely requesting you to return it?"
Venus tried to hit Sun, but he moved away. Their other classmates stepped forward to defend Moon and Sun. Now Venus looked a bit scared. One of the friends asked Venus to return the toy and leave. Another friend said that they will not stand and watch silently if one of their friends gets bullied. No one got angry unlike Venus. Yet they all spoke confidently and in firm voices. Venus reluctantly returned the toy and ran away. Later, Moon and her friends told their class teacher about what had happened in the playroom. They also told their parents about it, later at home. See friends, today our friends stood up for us and by us when Sun and I were bullied by Venus. Do you know you can also help each other when you see your friends being bullied? If you are alone and feel scared, quickly call out for help. A nearby elder or teacher can help you out. If anyone tries to hurt you, move away and inform your teacher about it. Our teacher spoke to Venus later and he has agreed that he will not bully anyone ever again. Our teachers had earlier told us that we should protect and support our friends if any one of them was ever in trouble or danger. That is exactly what we did today. You should also tell your friends and teachers about this, so you can have each other's back when needed. Please like, share and subscribe to our stories. Thank you.